So I'm on a horse going to the pyramids. There's my horse. Her name is Strawberry. And I was on the horse for a minute before the horse in front of me, but I fell off of that horse. And all I broke was a nail, thank goodness. Now we're going to the pyramids. Oh, it's steep. I hope I don't fall off this horse. No, I think Strawberry's being sure-footed. Yes, please be sure-footed, Strawberry. Oh, see, now I thought I had been recording that whole time, and I wasn't. So this is me in the desert, going up to the pyramids. Here's my horse, Strawberry, and there's Fiona on the other horse. I can't remember her horse's name right now, but I fell off that horse a little bit ago when she started getting a little feisty and kicked or something, I don't know. She bucked, and I slipped and fell off and fell on my back, but I'm okay. I fell off a horse in Egypt. My finger's not okay though. Oh, it's rocky here. Please be sure-footed, Strawberry. Rocky. Careful, girl. Easy, girl. Oh my gosh, look where we are. Look where we are. It's very, very hazy today. I thought it was going to be more clear because yesterday was very clear when I flew over these guys yesterday and saw them so beautifully. Anyway, there we go.
May 5th, 1966. And the name is Murad. It's a man's name. Masculine.